Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about the exercise 7.1 fourth problem. Already in previous video we discussed 1 to 3 problems. Now continue the next problem, fourth problem. Okay. So what is asking fourth problem? Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma minus 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of a isosceles triangle. Here given the points are given, have to verify the both are isosceles triangle or not. So given the points are isosceles triangles or not. So first of all, what is isosceles triangle means? In a triangle, isosceles triangles are two sides are equal. See the figure for example. So this is the triangle from the, let us consider the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So in a triangle, isosceles means two sides are equal. So AB is equal to AC. Have to find out the distance between AB and AC and along with BC also. So any two sides should be equal. Okay, let us find the another. Now let, so what is given here? X1 comma y1 is equals to what is given here? 5 comma minus 2 is given. Now b value x2 comma y2 is given 6 comma 4. Next c value x3 comma y3 is equals to 7 comma minus 2. Write down here 5 comma minus 2 as bc value 6 comma 4, c value 7 comma minus 2. Now you can find out the distance between, first have to find out the, so AB, so for example, so AB is equals to BC, have to find out. So AC is equal to BC, have to get same should be answer. Okay, should be equal answer. So if it is should be equal means that is isosceles triangle. If it is not equal, should be equal answer is, we can say that it is not an isosceles. Let us solve now. Now write down the distance between the distance between 2 points. First you have to find AB distance. First what is given? First A value 5 comma minus 2 and B value 6 comma 4 is, what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now first AB. So now this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Now what is x2 here? X2 is 6 minus x1 value 5 whole square. Next y2 value is 4 minus y1 value 5 whole square. Now a square root of 6 minus 5, how much? 6 minus 5 is 1 whole square, 4 minus 5 minus 1 whole square. So therefore, so 1 square value 1, so minus 1 whole square also 1 only. So 1 plus 1 how much? Root 2. So root 2 is the answer. Wait, small mistake here. So once again, once cross check, x2 value is 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus y1 value how much? 2. So y1, no sorry, yes, small mistake here, that is y1 value is minus 2, that is 2 here. Okay, 2. Now from 4 plus 2 how much? 6. 4 plus 2 6 square value 36. Now what is the answer now? Square root of 37. Okay, small mistake. Okay, we are done. Okay, so AB is equals to root 37 units. Root 37. So this is the root 37. We got the answer is root 37. Now same as here also BC value, AC also will get same answer only. Not only AC, you can, otherwise AB is equal, any two sides it should be equal. Okay, now so one more we can find the distance between. Next we can find out the AB BC. Next we can find BC value, can find. Now the distance between 2 points, BC, no, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 is the formula x2 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now simple, what is this point BC value? No, BC. Now, so BC is equal to square root of x2 value 7 minus x1 value 6 whole square plus y2 value is minus 2 minus y1 value 4 whole square. Now 7 minus 6 how much? 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 how much? Minus 6 whole square. Now square root of 1 square value 1. So minus 6 square value minus 6 into minus 6, that is 1 into 1 plus 6 is 36. So BC value is root 37. So BC value how much we got? The answer is root 37 units. Now this is root 37. Here AB and BC should be equal. See, now AC definitely will not equal to the other two sides. See, now find out the distance between two points. The distance between 2 points AC. So AC value 5 comma minus 2 and C value 7 comma minus 2 is formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AC value is equals to square root of, so this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Now x2 value how much? 7. 7 minus x1 5 whole square. Next y2 value minus 2 minus y1 means minus 2 whole square. Now square root of 7 minus 5 2 whole square plus here minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 whole square. So 2 square value 4 minus 2 plus 2 is, that is 0. 0 square nothing but 0 only. So root 4 value is 2. So AC value how much? 2 units. So this is the 2 units. So simple that we can say that. So what is given triangle now? Read up. So once again we are imagining now. So what you got now here? Read up. Now here AB and BC should be equal. AB. Read up. This is A. Here AB and AB and what we get? AB value how much? Root 37. Next BC value got AB and BC should be equal. So this should be equal. So therefore you can write on. So therefore AB is equals to BC is equals to root 37 units. In a isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, that is AB and BC. So therefore you can write down. So here given the given points, the given points are what is given points here? A value 5 comma minus 2 and 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So what is given? The points should be, it should be isosceles triangle. So this is the fourth problem. Now see the next problem. What is asking? Next problem, fifth one. In a classroom, see for example a given note from chart. So this is the classroom. The 4 friends are there, are seated at the point A, B, C, D given, seated in the 4 arrangement. A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. What is in the figure? Now Jerina and Pani walk into the class. So both are went to the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Jerina asked Pani, "Don't think ABCD is a square." Pani disagree with him. By using the distance formula, find which of them is correct. So Pani is correct or Jerina is correct. So which is correct? So you have to find out by using the distance formula. So ABCD is a square or not? By using distance formula. Now Now write down first. Now write down the what is given here. Given the here, you can choose the point, children. Now what is a value, what is b value, c value? Okay, you can only choose from the figure. So what is a value? Now see, for example, I'm taking from the figure, from the graph. From the graph, you have to choose the point. So a value x1 comma y1 is equals to what is x1 of a value? If you observe that, see, this is the x-axis now. From here to here, this is x-axis. From here to this is y-axis. Intersect at point O. Now for x value, so what is x for a value? X coordinate is from, see, if you observe that from the point A, this is x-axis 3, y-axis 4. So meet. First you have to write down the 3 comma 4. So now we got the a value is 3 comma 4. A value is 3 comma 4. Next b value x2 comma y2. Now again same as from the point B also, from here also same as from the point B here. Okay. Now what is b point here? First x-axis 6 comma 7. So b value is 6 comma 7. Next second same as c value. So x3 comma y3 equals to from here also. First from the point here, from the point here. Okay. Now what is c value here? So x-axis 9, y value is 4. So c 9 comma 4. Next d value s4 comma y4 is equals to. Now here also can same as first x-axis 6, y-axis is near the 1. So 6 comma 1 is the D point. Now we got the point. Now by using the distance formula. So distance formula AB, BC, CD, DA. So first of all we have to know the property. What is properties of square? In a square all sides are equal. In a square all sides are equal. Diagonals are also equal. Okay, if it is all are equal, it is a square. If it is not equal, it is not a, you can say that it is not a square. Okay, if it is correct, we can say that, we can say Jerana is correct. If it is wrong, Pan is correct. Okay, simple. Now by using the distance formula, we can find out. Now write down. So what do you have to find next? The distance between AB can find first. Now the distance between, I'm writing short form, the distance between 2 points, first a point, a 3 comma 4 and b value 6 comma 7 is, so what is formula? x2 comma x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now AB is equals to square root of, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Now substitute values here. So x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 whole square. Next y2 minus y1. 7 minus 4. 4 whole square. Now AB is equals to square root of 6 minus 3, how much? 3. 3 whole square. Next 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 3 whole square. Now AB is equals to 3 square value 9. 3 square value also 9. So what we getting? AB value root 18. Okay, now do the LCM 18. LCM only prime factorization. Okay, next which we can take 2 tables. 2 9 the 18. Next 3 table. 3 3 is the 3 1. I can write as 2 into, so I am writing order pair. So 3 into 3. So you can write as root separate, root 2 into root 3 whole square. Okay, I am writing. Yes, square no. So root 3 whole square. Here root cancel. So AB is equals to 3 root 2 units. You can write like that. So what is AB value here? Now AB 3 root 2 units. So AB is 3 root 2 units. So we got the AB value. Now next we have to find out BC. Again CD. Next DA. Again diagonal also should be have to find. So AB is equals to BD also equal. So have to find out. First you have to finish AB. Next you have to find out BC. Now again write down next distance. The distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points, next B value. B value is 6 comma 7 and C value 9 comma 4 is, so what is the formula? X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Now BC is equals to square root of, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now x2 minus x1, that is 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 whole square. Next y2 minus y1, 4 minus 7 whole square. Now BC is equals to 9 minus 6, how much? 3 square. Next 4 minus 7, also minus 3 whole square. Now BC is equals to 3 square value 9. So 3 square value 9. So we get answer is root 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 already got now. Root 18 value, how much you getting answer? 3 root 2. So therefore you can write, so BC equal to 3 root 2 units. So BC also we got same answer only. Okay, now BC also 3 root 2. Now we can find CD and next DA. Again AC and BD. Now we can find, already we got the AB value, BC value. Now we can find out the CD. Now write down again by using distance formula. The distance between two points, the distance between 2 points C and D. So C value 9 comma 4 and D value is 6 comma 1 is. So what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now CD is equals to, now substitute the values here. Now x2 minus x1, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9 whole square. Next y2 minus y1, so 1 minus 4 whole square. So CD is equals to 6 minus 9, 6 minus 9 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. So therefore CD is equals to 3 square 9. So minus 3 square also 9 only. So root 9 value is root 18. So CD is equals to root 18. You can write as 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 units. So CD also we got the same answer only. So CD also we got same answer, CD. So 3 root 2. Now AB got same answer, BC also got same answer, CD also we got. Now we can find DA. Next we can find out the DA. Next, the distance between 2 points DA 6 comma 1 and A value is 3 comma 4 is the formula, distance between two formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Now find out DA is equals to, so this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now x2 minus x1, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 whole square. Now y2 minus y1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 whole square. Now 3 minus 6 how much? Minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 1, 3 whole square. So you can write as 3 square value 9, 3 square also 9. So root 9 value is root 18. So root 18 you can write as 3 root 2. So this is also you got, DA also you got same answer only, 3 root 2 units. So DA also you got 3 root 2 units. No. 3 root 2 units. So we got all the values should be equal. That is AB is equals to BC is equals to CD equals to DA is equals to, we got the same answer, 3 root 2 units. Now we can find out diagonal. If it is equal, so diagonal should be equal means you can say that ABCD is a square. If it is not equal to the diagonal, we can say that it is not a square. Now we can find out AC and BD. Now next again the distance between two points. The distance between 2 points. Next, AC. A value 3, 4 and C value 9, 4 is. So what is the formula? X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AC is equals to square root of, this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Now x2 minus x1, 9 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus 4 whole square. Therefore, so 9 minus 3 how much? 6 whole square. 4 minus 4 0 whole square. So AC is equals to 6 square value 36. So plus 0. So therefore you can write a 36. Root 36 value is 6. So AC how much? 6 units. Now we got the AC value how much? 6 units. So this is the from distance between A to C is 6 units. Now you can find out the BD value. Now the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points, BD value how much? 6, 7 and D value is 6, 1 is the square root of formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In question only is given clearly by using the distance formula completely. If you know the properties, you can say that easily. Okay. Now BD is equals to, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now x2 minus x1, 6 minus 6 whole square. Now y2 minus y1, 1 minus 7 whole square. Now 6 minus 6 is 0 whole square plus 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square. So you can write a 0 square value 0 only. 6 square value is 36. Minus plus only. Now root 36 value 6. So therefore BD equal to how much? 6 units. So BD also we got 6 units only. So BD also 6 units. This is also 6 units. AC 6 units, BD also 6 units. So therefore you can say that BD is AC is equals to BD is equal to, is also we got same answer only. So 6 unit. Okay. Now for add-on. Now we got the AB, BC, CD is equal to 3 root 2 should be, all sides should be equal, diagonals also should be equal. So therefore you can write down, now all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So sides are equal, diagonals are also equal. So therefore we can say that ABCD forms square. So what is asking question finally? So who is the correct? So therefore you can write Jarina is still correct. So Jarina is correct. So this is the answer. Okay, Jarina is correct answer. Jarina is correct answer. So this is the 5th problem. Thank you.
If you please like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel.